Hey guys, welcome back to our farmhouse. The sun is out, the flowers are starting to bloom, and I am in our home sprucing things up for spring, adding those little Easter touches around our home. I hope you'll come along with me and enjoy some decorating today. Yay! Easter stuff! This should be helpful. If Reese can open, with her little chocolate face, you open all of those containers at once, that will be so helpful. I'm just beginning here with freshening up our mantle. I've had this screen for a long time and I have a DIY dogwood wreath that I shared on my blog. I'll be sure to link to it if you're interested in making your own wreaths. I added some flowers to this and then just moved the candles around a bit. I kept it pretty simple, but I like how it's just fresh and airy for spring. Our house is in much need of a spring clean, so I tried to just dust and clean as I went, and it really made a big difference. Here I'm just using an old oversized toolbox that I had thrifted years ago. I think I had it before we got married, and I added some recycled bags from the grocery store in the bottom just to give it some volume, and then I put these new florals on top. I actually found these stems at our local Walmart, which I was very impressed with. I kind of picked through what they had. They had really cute lamb's ear and the lavender and just those filler sprigs. I don't often buy fake flowers, but when I do, I usually look at Hobby Lobby because they have really good looking ones. But I was really impressed with our local Walmart this spring, so be sure to check those out soon too, because I think this came together really nicely. Another surprising decorative idea from Walmart was these Easter eggs. They are hollowed out in the middle, and I thought they'd be perfect for my toddler to dye, so I may grab another one for her to do as a project, but I cut them in half and made two little half-dozen egg crates just to decorate with. So I thought those turned out really cute and added those little Easter touches that I needed in this basket. I also found the little miniature terracotta pots at our local Dollar Tree. So don't underestimate the Dollar Tree either. I think I got packs of 3 for $1. So I picked up a few of those, what they had left at our local store, and I thought they were the perfect touch for spring. As you can see, this has also become a fun game for Reese, but I don't mind her messing with these. Again, these are not breakable eggs, so this is really the perfect decor to sit on our dining room table. And to top off my centerpiece, I added this little bunny rabbit I found at a local coffee shop here called Four Phillies Mercantile. Such a cute shop, and I just fell in love with this bunny. It's heavy like a paperweight, but it's gonna last me forever and be part of my Easter decor for years to come. And moving now into the kitchen, I wanted to update my open shelving just a little bit. So I took the crosses, or the X's I should say, from our Valentine's Day video, if you saw that, and I just retied them into a wooden cross for Easter. So I went ahead and used that as my focal point for the top shelf, but I also added in some florals and Easter eggs just to get those Easter vibes going here.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh.
I hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more home decor ideas. I'd love to see you back here again soon. I hope you have a wonderful Easter, and we'll chat again soon.
All the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.